Hello, Wanda Man here in the CH Wine tasting room with the really fun white wine blend from the north coast of California. This is lot 921, 2020 vintage. It's a bit of a mystery. It's not revealing too many of its secrets on the label, white wine blend, but we'll delve into that a little bit. But let's look at that color. I don't know about you, but I see that and I think California sunshine. Really golden in the bottle, as you can see. Nothing to hide, but also get a little closer so you can see the color there. Again, bright, kind of a burnished gold. It's sunshine, it's walking on the beach, it's just relaxing, it's just chilling out. On the nose, that same happy feeling. It's very flirty, it's peachy, it's floral. I get a little bit of grassiness, some lemon zest, a little bit of lime. This just feels like sunshine. It's just, the smell is easygoing, it's pretty, it's just like, just sip me already and stop talking. So that's what I'm gonna do. Wow, a lot of flavor, a lot of texture. Again, I'm getting that peach on the palate. Maybe there's some Viognier. There's a body to it. So I'm guessing maybe some Chardonnay is what I've been told, and a little bit of Pinot Grigio. And that peachiness, definitely the Viognier. And that grassy note is coming from the Sauvignon Blanc. So I've unraveled a little bit of the mystery, but the real mystery is how do you make something this delicious at this price point? I love this wine because sometimes we say, oh, I just want a simple white wine. And we think that means, they didn't really have to do much. But to take those grapes, put them together at this price point to create a really nice drinking experience. And what I love about this wine is you can enjoy it by itself, or it is food friendly. I would think soft cheeses, a fresh ceviche, shrimp cocktail. There's so much you could do with this wine, but really just to sit and enjoy. And even the dead of winter, if you want to imagine that you're walking on the beach in California in the sun, this is a great little virtual escape. So drink well and enjoy. Cheers.